Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying carrier support and grabbing the QR or numeric activation code. This is essential so the phone can download the carrier profile. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi and signed into your Samsung account to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings, go to Connections, then Esim Card Manager, and tap Add Mobile Plan. You're initiating the eSIM import, and this first step triggers the phone to look for a downloadable profile from the carrier. You'll scan the QR or type the code exactly. The phone authenticates with the carrier and downloads the eSIM profile. After the profile appears, name it so you can tell plans apart. Then choose whether this line handles mobile data, calls, or both. This decides prioritization. Next, you confirm installation. The phone applies settings and writes the eSIM. Make sure you don't interrupt power or network during install, because incomplete writes can leave a partial profile. Once installation completes, restart the phone to finalize activation. You should see the carrier name and signal bars quickly. Test calls, SMS, and mobile data to confirm routing. Then go back into SIM Card Manager to set default data or enable roaming if needed. If something goes wrong, first reset network settings and retry the QR. If that fails, contact the carrier with your phone's IMEI and the eSIM EID so they can troubleshoot provisioning or reissue the activation code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.